Oh. Oh. Oh god, it tastes really sour. Ugh. Oh god! This is even more sour! Oh. Oh, it's really sour. Okay, I see. Strawberry? Okay, I think... Okay, we'll go with strawberry. Ugh, God. Ew, it's so slimy. I don't like it. I don't like the feel of my hand. Ew. I don't like the feel of my hand. Okay, ew. What was that? Ew. I hate digging my hands through it. The strawberries at the bottom of it. Ew, okay. Ew. Oh, God, why is it so big? Oh, it's covered in juice. No. Ugh. Ugh. Ew. Ew. I hate feeling it! Ugh. I smelled it and I didn't like it. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna take a bite of the strawberry. Okay. Yeah. Oh god. Oh. That was even more sour. Oh. All of these taste the same. Oh. I was able to swallow it this time, but I hate the way it feels in my mouth. It feels ugh. Oh god. Oh, that's awful. Bleh. 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 I can't even keep it in my mouth. Hope you like that.